Welcome back. So today we're actually going to be taking the carpet out of the Corvette and we're going to see how the floor pans look. So let's check it out. What? Why?
Because they used to use those old doobies.
Really? Oh
Yeah.
Gosh.
They're live. That in your cassette player.
Oh, great.
Nice. Kind of dry.
So today we're going to go ahead and treat the bottom of the Corvette's floor pans with rust conversion, or rust converter, rust primer, whatever it's called. So we're gonna do this, and the next step will be actually taking and I guess paint the floorboard and then lay down the fiberglass. And that'll help reinforce it. So let's get started. Just went ahead and primered that up. I'll be honest, had no idea what rust primer was until I just used it. I actually thought it was more like paint. So we got that set up, and it says for it to wait 24 hours, well, not 24 hours, overnight, more or less. So we'll see it in the morning. So I just come out here the next morning. I actually did 2 coats. So yesterday I wasn't exactly happy with what I was seeing. So last night I went ahead and added another coat. And it actually looks pretty interesting. From what it looks like, the rust has been converted and actually turns black when it does that. So that's pretty interesting. You can see there's a lot of white residue. I gotta wipe that off and clean that up. It's still a little bit wet, so I may let it sit up for a little bit longer. But other than that, it looks pretty good. So I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye!